Can an LLC make political contributions? Yes, an LLC can make political contributions, but the rules depend on how the LLC is taxed and state campaign finance laws. If the LLC is taxed as a partnership, contributions are typically attributed to the individual members based on their ownership percentages. If it's taxed as a corporation, then the contribution is treated as coming from the company itself, which may face stricter limits or prohibitions depending on federal and state regulations. At the federal level, corporations, including LLCs taxed as corporations, are not allowed to make direct contributions to candidates. However, they may contribute to political action committees, PACS, or engage in other forms of political spending within legal limits. Many states also have their own rules, with some banning corporate contributions altogether. The short answer is this: yes, an LLC can make political contributions, but the rules vary by tax status and location, and there are often strict limits. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep it compliant so you avoid legal issues with political or charitable contributions. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.